Texts in the PDF file are too light, and you are looking for a way to darken the PDF text for printing. The good news is that there are plenty of apps, sites, or services available to help you do this. It even becomes possible to make the text darker in a scanned PDF. Want to make PDF text darker but still keep the format? Or have additional needs to darken a scanned PDF? Then you should start with Adobe Acrobat. It has the most efficient approach to darken existing texts, newly entered texts, even texts in scanned file, without changing its formatting. Add the file to Adobe Acrobat. Head to Edit PDF. Select the text that you want to make it darker. Head to Format. Font color on the left side. Select black or a darker color for the texts. Close the color panel to apply the new color. Finally, don't forget to save the file. To darken scanned texts in a PDF with Adobe Acrobat, the process is the same, because Acrobat will recognize the file automatically and allows you to edit the file then. If you want to make PDF text darker online free, try Seda PDF Editor. It is well known as an intuitive and pro-level PDF website that anyone can access and master with. Upload the PDF file. Select the text you want to darken. Choose a darker color. Or you can just click on any area of a new line to darken the text. Once done, hit Apply Changes and download the file to your device. However, it cannot darken a scanned PDF. Here is another choice for darkening PDF text online free: Google Docs. It is the best online free tool to make scanned text darker. First, you need to upload the file to Google Drive. Then open the file with Google Docs. As you can see, it makes the scanned file editable, though the file is rendered in Google Docs quite differently from its original look. Anyway, it offers format tools to change the look. Surely it can darken texts in a native PDF as well. Finally, don't forget to save the file as PDF format again. Also, there is a free PDF editor that lets users darken PDF texts. That is PDF Gear. It can be used on a Mac, Windows PC, even mobile phones. It has rich editing tools and a lot of features to handle a PDF, including conversion, pages organization, signature, protection, and so on. Go to Edit Text, select the text, then choose a darker color to darken your PDF. But the main disadvantage is that it doesn't have a good control. The selection and editing actions cannot be done as smoothly as in Adobe. Anyway, it is worth a try. For a scanned PDF, it can perform OCR, but you cannot edit directly on the file after OCR. You can only copy text from the file.